Bible says, even if those will hold their peace, these rocks will cry out. What an amazing creation Father has made for us. We're back at the river, and we're just having a good time. We each caught a smallmouth, and what'd you catch her?
Oh, it was like a hybrid sunfish.
Hybrid sunfish.
Little
The
guy.
boss caught. Oh, he just dropped his smallmouth on the ground on the rocks.
There he goes.
I was just sitting here thinking, isn't it so cool to hear the laughter of children? And I remember when 9/11 happened and there's no planes in the sky. It was like this eerie silence. And then when the ridiculousness happened a couple years ago, it was just like you never really heard the children laugh. And it was far and few between that people went and had a fun time. And here we are today, and we've just been enjoying the laughter of the children. They're swimming and just having a grand old time. That's life. That is life. Get your children out. Do something free. Go swimming in the river. Go swimming in the lake. Take them out and have some fun. It's free. It just costs you the gas to get there. Take a picnic with you. Enjoy this life that God has given us on this wonderful, beautiful, glorious day. If you're gonna have ducks and you're gonna have a pool, you're gonna have this. Because those little cute things over there are nasty. The boss is working on a door for the meat birds. We're gonna keep them in here because there's a lot of great grass for them. We'll get those the first week in June. He's making a door so they can go in and out in free range within the net. That's what we're up to today. And of course it's windy. Brutus thinks he's a chicken. Don't you, Brute? Yeah, he thinks he's a chicken. He's staying cool. He's got the right idea. That's how it's supposed to look. And I just take an old scrub pad and clean it out. And in another day, it'll be nasty again. Okay, we've got the door on. And we just carabined it. And we're gonna put some perches up here. I'm just playing around with this one, but just so, you know, they don't have to sit and poop, and we can prop that door open. Put a brick there or something. Get the fence up. And we got a couple more spots we found that we have to fix. Right there and right there. Because the roosters were fighting. And they ripped the hole there, but it's hitting about 4,000, so we're feeling good about that. All right, another project done on the homestead. It's a good feeling to have that done. The duck pool is clean. Now I have to go get some chicken marinated for supper. All right, there it is. The savory is starting to sprout. And the thyme is starting to sprout. Growing in my sister's hat. Oh yeah.